Are you excited, Gege? Hey, girl. We're here, girl. I know she's excited. Big yawn. Come on, girl. Come on. Nope, no. No. Now she's trying to smoke cigarettes, girl. What are you doing? She's more interested in the random pole that other dogs have peed on than the architecture. Are you ready? Okay. Big shake. Come on, girl. We're finally here. She's distracted by a random orange bag.
As a glass of brandy.
This way. Come on. This way. 2 miles. This way. Come on, girl.
We can go back down if we need to. Yeah.
So I'm trying to find a way to get in. I was just on this entrance over there. They told me to come down here. And these people down here told me to go down there. So I'm like, which one is it? Which one is it? Okay, we finally found an entrance. Let's go, girl. Go, Gege. Go, Gege. Go, Gege. Go, Gege. Go. Perfect that there's grass right here for her to potty, but that's if she will potty. Is she gonna potty? Maybe she will potty. And she has pottied. She's pottied. That's number 1. Now we need number 2.
There it is. You want me to move it forward?
This is something that I have wanted to do, is kayak on the river, but I never thought to do it. I have thought to do it, but I have not booked it yet. Oh, that looks so fun. I need to book it. Now that I'm seeing it in person, it looks even more fun. I think they swam on the river today, so that's why they had sort of gates closed or something like that. That's interesting. I don't know if I would swim in the river. That's one of my other things about going in here is what if I capsize in the damn canoe, bro? She's like, the smell of the garbage, the views. The smell of the garbage, the views. Ooh, not a wedding photo, okay. That's too much for you, Gege. You need PG only. It always be the small little ass dogs that be trying to bug up with my girl. Don't bug up with my girl. I'll bug up with you. Don't bug up at my girl. Gege's unfazed. She doesn't even know ill intent for real. Especially with little dogs. Come on, girl. Come on. With big dogs, she'll get a little scared. But with little dogs, even when they're yapping away, she does not understand what's happening. There seems to be all kind of boat rides. I want to go on a boat ride. I want to go on an architecture tour. You've heard, if you've like looked at Chicago, you've probably heard of it. I want to go on that boat ride. I was looking too if I could bring Gege, but I don't think you can bring dogs on that ride. I think there's a Navy Pier boat ride that you can bring dogs on though. I think I'm gonna do that with her. Huh. I'm on Columbus already? Dang, I thought the Apple store is like along the lake way too. But I don't think it's a part of the Riverwalk where I just came on. Ooh, October Festival coming up. Come on, girl. This girl here gonna stop her for a pet. I see people have started getting ready for spooky season. It's time for Gege to have a little snack. Come on, girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good job, girl. Come on. She doesn't know how to eat it. Here you go. Here you go. She was ready for the snack. Now she don't want it. Here you go. You don't want it? Girl, you need to put something in your tummy. You need to put something in your tummy, girl. Now she wants to eat it. Girl, what you got going on here? Get to have a snack by the lake, girl, by the river. You have a little snacky by the river, girl. Girl. Hey, girl. Take a little break, okay, girl? You enjoying the views, girl? You like the views, girl? Wait. Ah. Job, girl. You like your walk, girl? Yes, no, maybe? Yes? It's a three-way shuffle. Come on, girl. Come on. Gege, you look so small. Well, Gege, did you have a good time at the Riverwalk, girl? Huh? Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, girl. Did you have a good time at the Riverwalk, girl? Huh? I think she had a good time, y'all. Come on, girl. Hey, girl.